Hi friends, uh, today we will discuss corona and mental health related issues. As this second wave, the number of the cases are increasing very much. So there is a term called as pathophobia. People are having this fear of getting contracting disease, and thanatophobia, in which people are having this fear of the death. So this kind of the fear is creating a kind of the panic situation in the minds of the people, along with anxiety and depression. Also, we have seen the patients with OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, that is, they used to wash their hands even within 5 minutes. They are obsessed with cleanliness, and we are spraying this sanitizer everywhere on their body, everywhere on each and every article. So rather than of some use, it is going to harm a lot. So repetitive kind of the behavior is going to give mind a sort of instability, and this sort of thing is going to make person nervous, and so we should avoid such situations. It is better to be aware but not too aware, and not to get affected by the negative news in the media, in the news media, on television, in the social media. And so much false news is spreading like fire on so many groups, so we should try to avoid watching all such negative news and getting afflicted by it. And it is better to be positive in such kind of the negative environment which is around us. Talk positive always, think positive, do yoga, exercise, pranayama and meditation, read good books, play with your loved ones, and don't get panic, and don't be in a state of a sort of nervousness always. Everything is going to pick up soon. Government is taking all its efforts to make the things more better. Whatever the supplies are in deficient are going to be recovered soon, and nobody is letting other being through any such situation that is going to make our health system uh, in unstable state. So have confidence in oneself and also in the government. Follow certain restrictions which are being imposed right now tightly, and follow all the standard precautions. I wish and hope soon we will recover from this kind of emergency situation, as previously also these waves used to come and then they go away, afflicting a certain amount of the population. So just take care of your immunity and have positive attitude, because as you believe, you become the way your belief system makes you feel like that way. So if you feel yourself from within, that strong belief system is going to give you boost your immunity and helps to fight against whatever the infection, even if you get through. So it's my advice not to get disturbed by all this negative news, as it will just disturb our mind and unstable, and also lead to the irresponsible behavior. But as a citizen, we have to now support each other. We have to be aware about ourselves, about this disease, and about pros and cons of our actions, and not to try to influence others negatively. So better to support each other, this system, and do certain actions that can really be helpful for the society as much as possible, so that soon this wave will go away and we will again live in the society which we are dreaming of right now. So nature heals, as we all know. We are doing our best efforts, we are just supporting that nature. Soon that kind of the uh, environment of this kind of the environment of the fear and uncertainty will go away. Just stay firm and believe that it's going to happen soon, and make it happen with your positive attitude. Thank you very much, friends. Thank you.